Sometimes I remember a horrible story shared by one of our guests on our Duppy Story Live. It was about a teen boy who attended a high school that is located in a certain parish. His life changed forever one day when the news broke out that the coach of the cricket team at his school was molesting him. Despite the fact that the news spread through the school, the faculty members tried their utmost best to contain the situation.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
A little after that, they sent the coach to foreign. It is unknown if the authorities were ever informed, but the coach, despite his habit to prey on young boys, got off with just a mere slap on the wrist. Things took an even darker turn when the teen boy was seen going into a car a little after the former cricket coach migrated. The people then Picnic was never seen again. The entire school was devastated, and the students had their suspicions. The whole thing was believed to be one big cover-up that aimed to leave absolutely no witnesses. This so-called coach was also believed to be in a cult, which means that his links are tall. Situations like these become even more sinister when the culprit is known, but they are so good at covering up their crimes that nothing can ever truly be proven. Every day our boys are targeted, manipulated, and taken advantage of. We don't talk about it enough. Like and follow Jamaican True Stories for more.